So the foldable phone war just got a lot more interesting. Samsung may have crowned itself the king with the Galaxy Z Fold 7 last month, but now Google is firing back with the brand new Pixel 10 Pro Fold. Both phones share a book-style design, both aim for that futuristic flagship experience, but each takes a different approach to get there. Today, we're putting them head-to-head to see which one really deserves your money. So let's start with the basics. Dimensions. Samsung has clearly flexed its design muscles here. The Z Fold 7 is ridiculously thin, measuring just 8.9mm when folded and an insane 4.2mm when unfolded. That makes it the slimmest foldable you can officially buy in the US right now. On top of that, it's lightweight too, just 215 grams, which is even lighter than some non-foldable flagships like the Galaxy S25 Ultra. By contrast, the Pixel 10 Pro Fold is chunkier. Folded, it's 10.8mm thick, and unfolded, it measures 5.2mm. It also tips the scales at 258 grams, making it noticeably heavier than Samsung's device. Height-wise, both are close. The Pixel stands at 6.1 inches, while the Galaxy comes in slightly taller at 6.2 inches. When unfolded, Samsung again edges out efficiency, packing the same 8-inch display into a slightly smaller footprint. Now let's talk durability, specifically the IP rating. And this is where Google makes history. The Pixel 10 Pro Fold is the first foldable phone in the world with a full IP68 rating. That means complete dust protection and strong water resistance, basically flagship durability in a foldable package. Samsung, meanwhile, falls short here. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 only carries an IP48 rating, which means it's splash-proof but not fully dust-resistant. For foldables, where hinge mechanisms are especially vulnerable, this is a huge win for Google. Of course, the next big question is pricing, and here, Google plays it smart. The Pixel 10 Pro Fold starts at $1,799, undercutting Samsung's $2,000 starting price. Both phones scale up depending on storage, but even at the max 1 TB variant, Google stays cheaper at $2,149 versus Samsung's $2,419. That's a pretty significant price gap in this ultra-premium category. Performance-wise, Samsung uses the Snapdragon 8 Elite, while Google's Tensor G5 promises 34% better CPU performance than last year's chip, plus deep Gemini AI integration across the entire software experience. Storage options match at 256GB, 512GB, and 1TB, but RAM favors Google with 16GB across all variants compared to Samsung's 12GB on lower models. Finally, battery life. The Pixel goes bigger with a 5015 mAh cell lasting 30 hours, while Samsung sticks to 4400 mAh for around 24 hours. So what do you guys think about both the devices? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.